Hi guys, today we're gonna make a very easy Baingan Bharta. So let's begin. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, about 2 cups finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, be sure to follow me on my Instagram. Once the onion are brown, we're gonna take 3 medium-sized tomatoes, green chili as per your taste. I like my bharta to be spicy, so I put a lot of green chilies. Mix. Salt as per your taste, so tomatoes cook a little bit faster. Once your tomato get mushy, add 1 cup frozen peas. You can even add fresh if you like. Mix well. Cook it for 3 minutes. 1 tablespoon bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, now we're gonna add our eggplant. I'm taking 1 big eggplant, which I roasted in my oven. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. And here we go guys, our Baingan Bharta is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then please be sure to like this video, subscribe for more future recipes. Have a nice day guys, bye.